Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pork datshi, only way. Begin by trimming 1 pound boneless pork and cutting into bite-sized pieces, then season with salt and let rest. Sauté sliced onions and 2 large chilies until softened, add pork to brown, then simmer with stock until tender. Stir in 1 cup grated cheese and adjust seasoning, finishing with fresh herbs and a squeeze of lime for brightness. Select ingredients that build layered flavor: fatty pork for richness, onions and garlic for aroma, and chilies for heat. Brown pork well to develop depth, then deglaze with a splash of stock so brown bits dissolve. Simmer low and slow to break down collagen and intensify taste. Fold in grated melting cheese gradually to avoid separation while stirring gently until the sauce is smooth and silky. Control heat carefully, high enough to brown, then reduce to a steady simmer for deep flavor extraction. Use a lid partially on to retain moisture while letting steam escape so sauce thickens. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking, and add stock sparingly to keep texture rich. Finish with fresh herbs and a small squeeze of citrus to lift flavors, and let the stew rest 5 minutes before serving to set aromas and texture.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.